Okay, y'all, Silver Garden Club. 2 weeks ago it was minus 14 degrees here in northern Indiana, February. And then a week ago it was, I don't know, like 45 degrees and sunny. So I got out here, thought I'd get a head start on this stuff. And then, of course, that only lasted a day, and the next day it was snowing on top of the green grass of home. Yeah, trust me, I'm not going to sing. So I'm out here today in the snow and the cold. It's freezing my toes. I'm hoping I'm not getting frostbite. Got the boots and 3 pairs of socks on them. But yeah, I'm going to be leveling the beds, putting in the hard cloth, which is supposed to look nice, but as you can see, it's not. So yeah, I'm going to put together some boring footage with some fun music of me fast forwarding through all this mess. Please subscribe to see how it turns out. Big plans. We shall see. Love y'all.